Want to pay your road tax in Cyprus without any hassle? Here's a simple guide that will help you easily navigate the process. 1. First step. Go to the official website. To start the process, you need to go to the official website of the Cyprus Ministry of Transport. Here's the URL: rtd.ncw.gov.cy. Second step. Entering your data. You will need to enter some data. In the field labeled Vehicle Number, enter the registration number of your vehicle. In the field marked Last 3 digits of ID, enter the last 3 digits of your ID or passport. To find out which document to use, check the name of your vehicle. Third step. Choose the payment period. Now, you need to select the period for which you want to pay the tax. The options are 3, 6, or 12 months. Scenario 1. Step 4. Making the payment. As soon as you have completed filling in the details, click Continue and choose to pay with a credit card. Enter your card details and confirm the payment. Please note, if you are paying for the first time, the system may request the name of your insurance company and the policy. Payment period. Always remember to pay your road tax between the 10th of January and the 10th of March each year to avoid fines. 1. Services from Cyprus Auto Service. If you purchase a car from us, rest assured, your road tax is paid till the end of the year. We also offer a service to pay your tax at our office, serving as your personal assistant. And with that, we conclude our user-friendly guide on simplifying your road tax payment process in Cyprus. For more in-depth information and useful advice, don't forget to visit our blog at cyprusautoservice.com. You're also welcome to save and share this video to ensure this vital information is readily available. In summary, Cyprus Auto Service remains your trustworthy ally in the automotive industry in Cyprus.